Hello everyone, welcome back again. Today we are going to create a simple floor plan for exercise number 3. In here I will use a template in millimeter, so I will use a cut ISO template. The next I will create line start from this point. We set length into 5000, move to the right 3000, to the top of 5000, and click at this point. The next I will use copy command to copy this object to the bottom here. We set into 2000 and then copy this object to the top 600. Okay, the next you can copy this line object from this point into middle point. Don't forget to active all snap. You can tap DS, and in here in object snap tab you can active this all snap. Click OK. Use the trim command to cut this line. The next I will use a join command to combine these objects into polyline objects, and use the offset command. We set offset distance into 150. Okay, click at this line, click inside, also in here, click in the top here. The next we offset with offset distance as 75. Select this line, okay, and also at this point. The next you can select this middle line and press delete button. To cut this line we can use a trim command. You can tap TR. Okay, we cut in here. You can cut one by one in the corner. Okay, in the top, and the next in the bottom, and at this point. Okay, now we already created this simple sketch. The next I will insert a block. You can download this block from download link in the description below this video. First I will insert for door. Okay, you can click at this point, and I will copy this object, start from this point, move into here. Okay, in here I will create line also at this point, and then you can use a trim command to cut these lines. The next we cut again at this point and also in here. Okay, now we insert for bed this block into this point. The next I will insert for kitchen. Okay, small kitchen, and sofa seat. Use a rotate command to rotate this object, and we move this object from middle point into here. Okay, the next for toilet I will set in here, and for window we can click at this point. Okay, the next I will create new layer. You can tap layer, press enter, click here to create new, and I will set in it into black. I will change the color into this color, and then for transparency we can set into 70. Click OK. The next I will hatch first this object. You can tap hatch, press enter, use NC31, and for color I will set this color. The next for pick point you can click at this point, also in here, and scale we can change into 20. You can click close. Click here to close hatch creations. Okay, the next we select these all blocks. You can select one by one, and now in here you can change for layer into block, so to be correct with these block options. Okay, you can use trim command to cut this line. The next in here we can insert for text. You can use mtext to create multi-line text. Press enter, and I will click at this point. Okay, I will set the name in here into toilet. Click offset to apply. It's too small and you can change for text heights in here. I will set into 150. So this 150 I will set into 100. Okay, now you can copy this object. You can move into here, also at this point, the next in here. Okay, you can set the name into bedroom. In here we set into living room. Living. Okay, you can use move tools to move this text to center point. Select this object and press delete button. The next we can insert for dimension into this floor plan. You can tap D to open dimension style manager. And click in annotative. We can set current. Click modify. For frame units, I will set precision into 0. And for fit in here, okay, this okay. And for text, I will set text color into green. And for symbol arrows, I will change into architectural tick. Okay. For lines, in here we set color into red. Also in here we set into red. You can click OK, close, and don't forget we use scale into 150. You can click here and change scale into 150. Use a dim line to create a dimension linear. Okay, create from this point into here. The next create again from this point and click at this point. You also can move from this point into here. Okay, we use a dim line again to create a dimension linear into here. And then from this corner point into corner point. In the top, we can use a mid between 2 points. So to be select from between this point. Okay, move into here. The next from this point into here. And the last in here into this point. Okay, you can select this dimension and you can move point to here. The last in the left, use a dim line again, dimension linear. Click from this point with mid between 2 points. Okay, grab again in here. Oh, sorry, in here we need to select from this point into this point, and the next from this point into here. Okay, from this corner point into corner point. And now we can edit this object also at this point. Okay, you can press F7 to hide cut. And now we already create this simple floor plan for exercise number 3 with AutoCAD software. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.